Enti last week nimo ana beka tro say Ibrahim Mahama business mugu wa gifted Mercedes Benz to Ralph DeFellow again. We are finally the almighty Twene Jonas wa betre na adwen ewo ho. Na Mahama Ajele Samba in his submission. I Penyah block media. Mess was said demo. Over like video no that my boy subscribe button number click verification and latest updates number chele wa adwen da ma me ewo comments expense obaso no she for so any be ashe. So nyan Ralph DeFellow Ghanaian as in opposition brother end this 40 na you hunu he was so active so loud. Oh no a social media sensation. And or believe or you fake the country activist that or domain kon Ghana. It doesn't belong to party A or party B, but or domain kon Ghana ye. But you heard the demonstration hold on oh yeah, now you know say it is more or less as NDC induced or NDC politically motivated demonstration. Because abra this better na kunya so no. Galamsey na Ralph any abro demonstration man we nyina no. Still a course, but the antenna can be. And now he's just in bed with the NDC government, trying to give him glory. Or ne, akwada na nimu huma no. Oh, your friend is simple. Amara Shako, only Amara Shako. Akwada beka say, believes that he doesn't belong to any political party. He just loves the country, but he's just in bed with the NDC. Or can be say NDC for then. Mobile 1 year, munya shi a obudi na tem. Agopo macho. Say you be from oba from wa ye oba any go serious wa you twa ye pepa and more fanche any other ideas. Oh no say I show na den say we NDC ni. I don't Ralph omu akomotam abo na bisa na nsia mu. Ana video pop up on the internet na video ni na Marasha ko e kire mu car Ibrahim Mahama e de ache Ralph.
Ghana for mo hwe Ralph car ni. Car na Ibrahim Mahama Ibrahim na two oba no the two na buy. We na Benz na esi akire no. We BM so. Ibrahim Mahama wow. Ghana for Ralph car na Ibrahim Mahama dia man na metim. Na hwe car ni inside Ghana for mo hwe bi o. Car na bodam. Car ni inside new na seat na metim na masa Ralph. Yes there. So who had the other car so. Can banana not show some wow. Anyway, ready at the Mahama Muchini Biana. I don't share Anna. Ralph ready as an Abacachi Ibrahim. Amen. Amen. Amen.
Yes, Bibia will be as only a Amen.
Amen. Mission was in a mission. The can't do more bottom. It's immense so my family said the Antoaso. Yes, sir, you have a pay by him. I must say, me pick up. Because Ralph can't know Jay and Monjagana for me. Carway means me from Koya, you know, come me call on Jenny. You remember, it's me car now. Pick up. Mr. Moncache, my mama say, on pick up, mommy.
And my video pop up on the internet. I'm very so interested to know say you are na Ralph. Why am I papa into one man a car? And I say, he said, president na to BB. And this government and the best year BB the pay off Ralph. And omum pese Ghana for who say NDC na BB ama Ralph. Internet the omo de fa president ni so. And I said na Ghana for no enten serious ko na mo for pese omu hu na omo ebusa question on that. And we say no and the almighty Twene Jonas akodru nanim na we ene nsem a owo edeka
enti Ghana ye timba ye bibia teach dan Kenya me say bibisa tramba boy ni say John Mahama ni okuja to di na tem no wate ana na o si da bi wate ankwa beka akire omo you see ade ewo ni papa adwima ni say omo kwaji Greenland because that Greenland no anya China bia na yi no omo de no mafa ho no ni nyina ni say omo resources akese pa omunya America nya ombetimi control wiase nyina san land ni ya rich na Denmark for the control so what I say to Denmark for no information manya ne say ompese omye omuma China for ne Russia for resources ni and that Trump say there be the pata pa beji ada so meton kro na ma no America na say America be kwa akwaji kro no by force and na Trump se mo pa NATO for nso soldier for nkogu still America soldier for be ku nyina no magi kro no nti sia no na mo prepare kwa be fa so akwaji kro no nti Ghana ye rich John Mahama enka o masem is Venezuela man penny on one a year nano chubu on the ma Trump coche na or the Nabeshe prison in York or train or you free no or Sako prison or catch no me show you know also baby Juma more fairly American so dear every day Juma yeah na bisa won say omuko Somalia dey Juma na omukoye African leaders eche and omudwene ho tiria mecho ni o African leaders echesem nyasanka John Mahama umeka de me besi factories abie 24-hour economy na wanya sika na fasi house me dia koto pad de be hye nkofo matwem umoda ma utem $290 million e de koto pad e de be hye atwem abrese eska betumi employ Ghana fo nyina enti monya kronfo a wakoto pad $1,000 akocha ma school fo mienu bi nu atwa who picture the abeto no we scan nyina kodi na do Jimmy abetra say wo de we unique from Akufo-Addo we are poor. I'm sorry, it is what it is. Entimu case at the IMF said John Mahama Kronfo man panyi bia ni Africa wa ba 1 year we $214 million e bi ni ho IMF de mo abeto a intime sremo mamu nko send the warning maybe because Trump no there is nothing you can do ebe sisa adwen Arenia for Codina Tamra, and I'm sure Moko Bombu. Am I ready? O two tis our Marco Bombo Arenia, or Muman Penyanko Country and Catrampo, Fabombo, Sana Venezuela man Penny or the man talk me with soldier for mobile and she become say blah 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 blah. Trump was made by Chuash prison because what Jimmy, or to America man Penny, by Chuash prison, and Penyan Power prison. Omne by Omunya charging man, and Yanoma Cope cash and Atun Ashen corner, Muse. Venezuela ni bi omuche no bodana no kura cocaine ti mampanyin na sumanos omugidi se mampanyin na sumano into a criminal sana John Mahama scammers omuche omun u jimia na ombechewa na omdo beshe prison omeka se ona wire wa employ ayimo da dijo mo ama mo scam abrofo into a criminal enti mesrew wone mo bia de boa Ghana ni o bai o ye campaign wa meka se obedwene nkofo matwe ho o ka se obedwene kwa be faso abi adwuma o bai twe na o dwene ho ye mpema mpanyi na obedwene twe ho wonye gynecologist wonye doctor no akodwene ma atwe ho mampanyi de o dwene ka akwan ho enwuma ho infrastructure ho businesses akese e na obe invite abegu Ghana na wa bi job opportunities ama Ghanaians ba wa fail wanti anye we nyina sika no mawia na mde to cars na mde display eno akro mbeka kire say John Mahama to car ma Ralph wa top Mercedes Benz mienu di ama na Ralph no wo bebi adwuma ama no wo diska na ko Benz obe da to petrol gum Jimmy Benz we bi o yesi S class we bi no mata ama no ato S class of Americans we ne board o tizibra wachi only camera nso a wo hwem akwa we plan ti ya na me hu camera bia wa ha o camera wo for ma wo hwem anu anva me bo me car no masa ne boarding e betimi asese otontura no be 100 enti without being said, let's get into it. Enti John Mahama o to car man kra na ombe bokro no e na to petrol gum enti suanyansa na fasika ni bi adwuma na jai car to car nya japade o eye cost. What you say? Where you area who the office kanya or pay a two ago? And I got to can't ya practice a rafa only Juma be a only a Juma Biano. Open so buana employ no our security or ministries baby. Nabos me be a only a Katiano between the VI ape aje proto anka crack ranya be crack or worry. Ape Juma be a one channel I investment in a crack room. Now got to car the manner a Chrono na have man dia kobo because e so to petrol gum. So entimonwene car e yo bi a waye me we say me car we tua insurance nko $100,000 every year. $100,000. Obi oti Toyota we mu kra Toyota wiye we yo. New York ubetua $2,000 a year. So car stand time we no ubetua 1,800 a year. What last week is standing from $10,000 going to $100,000. Mom we too expensive bar. And sana make away no petrol mayo. Would you see what take it? You better take it. And sana we be road work, road your first day. What be registration? What your insurance? insurance nso oh maka insurance no ansana why would na ma koba bejo koba bewe break bewe masa enye easy car we nko a e car ma bo ho nko a timi to abro san to aso 20 wa America ba ko pe nya car ni nyina o enti imagine say ukotam car we de koma akra bi o Ghana. How do you expect the person's own fuel V12 and a S class no the ama Ralph no V8 enti obey that to home petrol se wa man Toyota V8 bi kura se on fanye taxi a nyansa wo won ti mu se o man ni sika no kwa me bibi o meka kire me no ma bibiro ami ana me sheda nka ho asem bibia Ghana fo ne konkonsa fo o meka kire me so eti John Mahama se o tu sika ni gu no sami jamfi a sika de koto Range Rover esise abigu kam chema agrada ye be kan wo se enye hwe untimi pamo no untimi nyina di because won so ye kronfo so but yes o say a oman no but wo di sika no a wo di to cars to gu $100,000 no say sika no ko betimi abie factory e woni krom omo ye adwuma nice jobs I mean nipa bebrebe a omo nko school da omo di krom nim tro omo ye healthcare kakra saa mesisi a omo ye nurse for enti sometimes you know any school na ye bibia enti when you have the money create job opportunity for the youth na jai say ye be to scan na gu car o tono o ebe ko na akose yes waduro so be da car repair S class fit any me beti ma fix wo Ghana wo so eti mesel memeti kroma de eti ameti car we me se nya se ahia me a ka me koto BMW ka Honda bi na metim me scanning every day bi a me make bi about $20 million so enti say me say $10,000 and $20,000 for car and coming. So, Timenam na say bia ma suspension blue. Na suspension here $30,000. I know I say me bia koto coins mami. But I say na kamisika mi wo dem accounts mi na $100,000. Come to camp, come fa trotro, me fa I bus. And I me fa I train. But I am say $1 million be go on. On ena amama yi bi dia to car na gumi fie obebebe so enti se wonye ska akra enya car na de to odi ya de ska bebebe bre na odi bie ketewa bi akoto car sa na ye no so etese am yamfi mo afa na dwuma prekope akoto $1 million ka o shiska no obetumi ato car bi abe e bia $1 billion car bi ana $2 billion car bi ana even $5 billion car bi bia Prado bi ana Land Cruiser bi no the name for the meantime won acha na mamnya profit no na bia mo bay say scan bia it makes sense maba for front say car madwure agu a IMF nyina na John Mahama o je nim guase wa America so we o man sika nyina because mo rush too much so enti emfaso bia ma mo so na sisia no lumba case no o man nyina ni da ani tua enti dia mo ye no abusuanfo me na me nua bia o wiase bia me na yere enti se lumba nua ba panyini a odi lumba achi lumba di na chi a lumba kura ma odi na to wato ne badin abegina ho se ni person machine na yere we mu de o mu ye baby mama na John Mahama ne court of agimi for se ya giskanti ye nti ase ye bedane made no ne nam fio no yere we yes a wagimi apart from some fairly or mamuo no promise why I 24-hour economy am fairly no we no be koso damage am this small eti me person be lose Tesla na taxi no Tesla na taxi na mu no ya mi shabroni me person be lose the nene sa enti me be say mu lose plus still MPP for no who say still mo na so vote ba say mu di Jimmy koka ekoyere eje bribe edane made yire sa be ma e man nyina to atiamo Ghana ashawfo eketua bi o eni omo say nkofo aware omo eketua bi o obi ati aso damu pe ebo mpae so benya kunu enti obo mpae so benya kunu ebrebrenya kunu na on expect say John Mahama kwasi ampanyini ne judge fo ebeba be den abe ka kire ne mre bi so onya yiri bi o abra oni ne kunu start abre bra wa bre for the mature say Ghana no magimi na mummi adwuma ne nti e magana mabunu no rough what you say ofa mantamu a obetimi ahia emema mienu nu ahia ema 100 Uni ma de ma me hu sa de we na me movie producer o Ghana na me bo advert o TV so say me pe nipa mo me de o ma e movie a emma 200 me ba na afi na manya mema 5 uni me ntia because emma ndodo na fansuo so kwa bruchi no mako wo eposo dodo na so adwuma e bekuno o de ka etu kwan ekokwan so kope sika ba fia ma fidi na busua na wakonya accident no akowu enti mema ni wu rough enti omo yeketua bi enti mane doso say mema eti mema ni wu rough what I say ti say kwasia ya chi na deport ni oko South Africa ya deport na to South Africa yi say matisi ye say opese nkoya azano so sidi ya no nyeska nko de makone shima no wafa epuso afa nsuo no sisi atrampo so ayeda yomomoto bombo so no maku mu nyina nsuo no tina na meka che no Trump yi nipa boni ni owudi ni ntima ani nko na ban free so a ensena ayeda wafa nsuo so asan ubewuram anko fa passport bi anko jimi enkoye me citizen bi oni anchi unipa to ubedura brochiri na ukura passport na de nam frɛ ho citizen oni obi o ekoke di la nyina epe crime ni nyina crime say me hu de wa me nti o si nyankopɔ anim obi bɔ adwama obi ko wiade anim nyina me kronfo no saa na America mrate ti me ka kira akwa no otie me enu wanya ise Ghana fo ni piepia no enu nam no jimi o ara sese de don pepepe me tufo me ti amenya ordinary person me skani chen Ibrahim Mahama na musuro no ana mubu no and at despite no omu nyina me uska chem but me humble nti obi anim what I say na me no I am pretending to be poor say be ya me ntutu ankwase taxes e wa America and I me stay low key but deep down me mansion ba ko pe me tower ba ko abrosan keke si am ne ma han no income keke na so say Ghana sikafo nyina account savings account bo ma sika omunya but one me channel because America na ma build the wealth no easily unyanya ultimate capitalize opportunity na we can multiply no quick say Ghana Africa no because I know bia we scanty ade a we bia so see quick so na ha no more opportunities be bia I multiply money ti say esi ameti me pesika me manze me pes bia be $500,000 e de akoye akoblo no akudi me manze me pema na me bendi mabi kodi hotel ma kodi omo na me pesika akose na metimi akoshe da akoyi bia be $50 million benam ne akoto S&P 500 investment to me diskana to e da wo keke no every day bia metimi anya $500,000 on profit quad 10% keke cry interest profit minyani free Ghana unya saade no o diska kura koto banga for ni ko wia na makese bang na gu no madwane won bada na opportunities bebre why multiply money in a quick so but all the same ni na minim sa no ma we nyina minim se bibini di ono wagimi onsua bibini bi ate John Mahama mo pepepe wa twa ho no mo dwene oba bi ton ni ade me nso me nwene se bibini me ge kura me ni bibi nko pe obi abada me nwene se broni so enti ama me capitalize opportunity no quick so enti wa ba me catch you say me no di ti am ye successful ni say me nimra ni nyina me say me immigration for ni shia me o mu shia me da bia but o mu ntimi hu nyansa o mu hu kwa mfa so mi sa me nkrata no because me nim law no ma be ko school American ntimi nimra enti even though say me nyama num say me citizen me nyama num say me wo we me nyama num say me wo we enso me ne hwe but o mu suro mi say o me bisa me say fankata abra why because o shia me in the first place o bisa me yo are you a US citizen me say yes I am of course and one no conversation I end untimi bisa hwe oh drive safe yeah you know pass here and one so etinya fe na me kura document inti o me kura document ire ko kire broni no police ni say ade no me citizen pa abra me nim say police ni som na ade ni fake ni de o be verify o system no computer na fake I no me criminal me offenses ni doso enti number 1 me possess forgery documentation me fraudster oh I know one crime number 2 me ne nkrata another crime no number 3 kwa am fa sunya America passport counterfeit no kra no and also another criminal offenses and to we now criminal charges in the doors to the sense we follow your krenyi this year you deport still so on your channel Into aba makachi was a father and show bottom. Oh, no more dada Ghana for no my friend. Oh, when he Twene Jonas and bro or no one be na obi. Into any bro obi any we are say obeba America 1 year na no benyanga American passport. It doesn't work like that. A process. My work church the Ghana from no mood matem. Oh, many bre boy no. I say unya a green card, permanent residence for 2 years. And 2 years we need to person moves is chrono person tenamampa. And now come not 2 years and within 2 years no and ya quadro 5 year agreement to your taxes ma by no moon say you are willing to stay until that process no and we are and your friend condition green card into 2 years and we are now if you know before so many condition in free so no na process are the final green card no so mo say legit on my investigation and send us another interview into by interview and send I am out 10 years after 10 years no 10 years no nya dia ubetimi apply for citizenship and to apply for citizenship now and also I just say free now because school kusunya America history America stories and so I could exams and no failure yes best I feel unya citizen I just also as I kusunya dia foforo as I be try another exam said the old school mutre wa ye keno oh exams now and to be try to so be pass a bit me fail 10 times 20 times ni na take years and try no ultimate try pass ya and sign why then why the citizenship certificate and so I could apply for passport. And the simple 1 2 3 job it take be 5 years 10 years 20 years so to a banner the same year also kura passport I make catch you say any fake unnim kura no be na dia mawa e fake gitum me pewasem opese osia me wo di matem I mean him say obedi matem afa friend who say yo me wo obi odi matem bia no odi matem for enemy so because me metia no hey John Mahama buy no ahunyansa and wa bie 24-hour economy and a good board sika yo munya 8 billion man kwache ni amba to talk as amom magimi foi and om dia start CC car kwan ACC school dan ACC factory bie adwuma kamia me ba betina be dana se di na twa kufu adompoa but oba no this kind high private jet team an opeto nwure esisa efunu nyina kogu private jet na teacher for 1 year more than 1 year into omuka nurse for into omuka esa me ba betina be do atem abra 30 minutes private jet sika correct me to Ghana police ni Ghana teacher for nyina aka ene nurse for nika and when Adia will be ya yempen, oh baby, the same thing. I'm not going to sit there and be happy. Happy, as I'm condemn because on my any baby, you could until we have to do something better to fix our nation. So until mental will be anti boy no mentano and not South African to tomorrow in ya menyanka. Will be able to bruchi any quase South Africa any Ghana difference in more difference woman say din necessary when you the same bre adequate or cobre what I say yes a yeka crache so all people there yeka crache Ghana but work on now only people and there Ghana mpuye o be bre kwasi adwuma obeye what I say na South African so nye abrofo half before half nti say Nigeria and Ghana ye jimia no anso wetua bribe when you passport no there be obe branch no your passport or when you document nti enye simple sa
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section hi Penyah Media background